Fake news. Transport Authority rubbishes claim about a $75,000 charge for having no badge, while taxi protest goes into a third day as operators in more parishes join in. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, raking in the cash. The JOTC outlines how it benefited from taxi strike.
Review ordered Tourism Ministry to take another look at the $17 million cost for new welcome sign for Montego Bay.
Import ban. Jamaica suspends buying of romaine lettuce from the U.S. after warning that it may be contaminated.
Give us more teeth. DPP calls for greater powers to prosecute those who knowingly pass on the HIV virus after a man tries to cure himself by having sex with a minor.
And in business news, respite at the pumps. Gas prices sink to 6-month low after falling for a 7th straight week.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the new welcome sign being constructed in Montego Bay at a cost of $17 million?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.